can get paid $7 every minute on complete autopilot using this secret passive income online business. Listening to one song, you can earn $4.80.
What's the laziest way for beginners to make money online?
One song can get you paid $7. Two songs, $40.
So you can basically just type in one word in this box. Click save, click make, and you will be paid $25.
I hate gurus. Search in any social how to make money, and 90% of the videos is someone telling a complete random business model that you are not passionate about and selling a course about it. A guru talking about SMMA, a guru talking about YouTube automation, a guru about freelancing, a guru about AI business, about dropshipping. They are taking over the internet because they are soulless, boring, repetitive, fake, give you false dreams. They don't even know what you really want. They just care about doing sales for their course, and I'm not okay with it. So, the world is a scam? The market is so saturated nowadays of those peoples that literally copy-paste courses, because the problem is not because they are paid, but because there is no value in it. If someone really makes you make money, it's fair to give a part to who teached you. And here comes the second problem. Courses are just some course material and not an actual help. They just give you a bit of things to read, and that's it. I want to change that.
You can get paid $7 every minute on complete autopilot.
The conclusion is, to make money, you need others to give you money, and the only way to do it is by solving a problem. Everything in this world works like that. Problem, you are hungry. Solution, sell food. Boom. Supermarkets invented. Here at Dubai Mentality, we teach how to market your solution to make real money. This is not a BS course. This is a real one-on-one mentorship to make your dreams come true. There is no SMMA, dropshipping, or anything like that. We will help you find your passion and market it. With our expert mentors in every sector, you will achieve your potential faster. Welcome to Dubai Mentality.